today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to install a 10-ball stack of red 42-inch ornaments. So as you come over here, we went ahead and did a little bit of the process, but nothing too much. This is all the hardware that you're going to get. You're getting the base, the pole, the bottom collar, and the middle collar. Now just how I've got it set up here, the bottom collar, you want not the very bottom, not the middle, a little below. Then you're also going to middle collar, you want it about 6 to 8 inches from the top. And go ahead and set ball them in just to hold it. Then you're going to take 5 of your ornaments, bottoms. A bottom ball consists of an ornament. It'll have a base attached to it. You'll have a D-ring coming out of the back. This is what I'm referring to when I say a D-ring. Go ahead, put 5 of them around this in a circle. After you've got in a circle, go ahead and attach your chain to the carabiner. Just go ahead, put that on there. They should have a little bit of slack in them right now. Once you've got 5, they're all hooked up with the carabiners and chain. Go ahead and loosen this set bolt up. Pick it up all the way. Tighten it up. Now you notice your chains, they're fairly tight. If you have any that aren't tight, go ahead and pull them out until they are tight. Alright, the reason that we're only starting with 5 instead of putting the 6th one where I'm sanding at is because we put our middle balls on here, we're still going to have a way to get to our top ball. I want to show you guys that just in a second. Alright, and for this task, I would recommend 2 people. If you want a third, that's fine. 2 is really all you need. Go ahead and pick this up. I'd have one guy pick up an ornament and the other guy guide him. So as he picks it up, I'm going to help him. Make sure he gets above the ornament. Then we're going to gently set it on there. He's going to let me lean it back a little bit. We're going to move it as needed. And our goal is to get this attached to here. So we're just going to keep on moving back. Until this carabiner can get around it. This can be a little annoying at first. Just take your time with it. It should hang like that. And let go of it, Eli. Just gonna say right there. Now we'll do it again. And now they should be touching each other right here. And that's giving extra incentive so they hold each other and they won't be able to go off anywhere because of your clip. Next, this will be the hardest part. I would recommend getting 2 fairly strong guys for this. You're going to put this top ball on here. The top ball has a little collar that sits on the very top of this pole with a set bolt in it. So we'll do the same thing we did here. I'll have my worker Eli, he's going to pick it up. I'm going to grab the collar and we're going to guide it over here. I'm going to get it set on here and then we're going to pick it up and when it slides on there, the set bolt. Let go of it, Eli. Alright. Now you're almost finished. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of go back to step 1 and step 2. Step 1, you'll get a bottom ball. Go ahead, Eli. This can be a little bit harder because now you can't walk in here. You'll have to try to get it as close as you can. That's going to reach in, grab your carabiner clip. Flip it in. Like I said, it's a little loose. So pull it tight. Alright, now we're going to add our last middle ball. This is the hardest ornament to put on here, just because you just about got to reach all the way in there and try to maneuver it. But you can get this one on here. Now your stack's ready to go. Another thing to say, if you're curious about what we're using here, we have an impact drill here, attachment. This is just a 1/2 inch socket. In that, all our bolts that we ever send to anybody are 5/16 inch bolts. So that means a 1/2 inch is the only size you'll need to use. I'd recommend an impact for this. If you don't have an impact, a wrench works, a ratchet works, anything that can get a socket or turn that bolt. I'd recommend this. Alright, that should be everything in the video, everything I have to show you guys. Hope this video is helpful, and have a good day.